Example 1.4.2, cause and effect. So determine if the one variable did cause the change in the other variable. So part A, we have cinnamon was given to a group of people who have diabetes, and then their blood glucose levels were measured in a time period later. All other factors for each person were kept the same. So that's important. Their glucose levels went down. Did the cinnamon cause the reduction? Okay, so since this was a study where the use of cinnamon was controlled, okay, we had an experiment, and all other factors were kept constant from person to person, any changes in glucose levels can then be attributed to the use of cinnamon. Okay, so in this case we can say, so the answer to this is yes. Part B says there is a link between spray-on tanning products and lung cancer. Does that mean that spray-on tanning products cause lung cancer? So here there is only a link, or again, the word that usually gets here is correlation, and not a study controlling the use of the tanning spray. Okay, so in this case they probably did an observational study, which means they simply asked people, do you use spray-on tanning products? And then we asked them if they had lung cancer. Okay, to do a designed experiment, we would have to take a group of people and randomly assign some to get sprayed with tanning products and some not to, and then years later see if they developed lung cancer. So you can say that there's a link or correlation and that there could be a cause, but you cannot say for sure that the spray causes the cancer. Okay, so the answer to this question, can we say that, does it mean that it causes it? Again, here would be no, because we did an observational study, where in part A we did assign a treatment and we controlled for all of the other variables, and so in part A we can actually use the word cause because we did an experiment.